Hi everyone, welcome to 7th class social science online class. This is the continuation part of Mysuru Vadayas. Today we are going to learn about the achievements of Nalvadi Krishnaraja Vadayar and Sir Vishveshwaraya. In 1881, British handed over the administration to the Chamaraja Vadayar 10. This is called Punaradana. Chamaraja Vadayar was died in 1895. Chamaraja Vadayar was died in Calcutta while he was on a visit, and Nalvadi Krishnaraja Vadayar ascended the throne at the age of 11 years. So, his mother Nanjamani ruled from 1895 to 1902. The direct rule of Nalvadi Krishnaraja Vadayar started from 1902. He laid the firm foundation for a modern welfare state, and he was soft corner towards the downtrodden, including SC, ST, and backward classes. He formed Miller Commission to ensure the participation of all the sections of the society in administration. Let us know the achievements of Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadiyar. Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadiyar gave 371 acres of land and 5 lakh rupees to J.N. Tata to start a science institution in Bengaluru. It is known as Indian Institute of Science. It was founded in 1909 with the support of Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadiyar by J.N. Tata. It is locally known as Tata Institute. It is one of the deemed public research university in the world. In 1907, Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadiyar established Legislative Assembly. This enabled the people to discuss their problems through the representatives. And one of the major achievement and contribution to the Mysuru state was construction of KRS Dam. He built KRS Dam near Srirangapatna in Mandya district. During the construction of KRS Dam, financial problems were arose. The royal family of Mysore Wadayas sold its gold ornaments in Bombay and raised money for the construction of work. This is one of the unforgettable work done by Mysuru Wadayas family. And this is the Mysore Palace. The old wooden palace was burnt. The new palace, the present new palace was completed by the Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadayar in 1911. And Mysuru Economic Conference was started in 1910. The Economic Conference set up in 1911 was the brainchild of Sir M. Vishveshwaraya in order to develop industry, business, commerce, etc. He passed the order that backward classes should get special representation in government services. It is also one of the major achievement of Krishnaraja Wadayar IV. For the first time, gave the voting power to women. This is also one of the great achievement and contribution of Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadayar, voting power to women for the first time. Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadayar ushered in developments in education, industry, agriculture and banking. Hence, he is popularly called as Rajashri by Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi ji stated that the Mysuru state of Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadayar called as Ramarajya and gave the title Rajashri. Rajashri. And he appointed the talented divans like Sir M. Vishveshwaraya and Sir Mirza Ismail. And there was no mature ruler like Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadayar in the early part of the 19th century, 20th century. Okay, this is about the Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadayar. Let's once again recall the achievements of Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadayar. When do we celebrate Engineers Day? September 15th. Every year we celebrate Engineers Day in memory of Sir M. Vishweshwaraya. Sir M. Vishweshwaraya. Sir M. Vishweshwaraya is considered as the sculptor and creator of modern Mysuru state. He worked as a chief engineer of Mysuru state from 1909 to 1912. Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadayar appointed him Diwan as appointed him as Diwan of Mysuru in 1912. During this period, Mysuru state progressed as per the vision of Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadayar. Let us know the contributions of Sir M. Vishweshwaraya for the development of Mysuru state. He gave the call industrialize or perish. He strongly believed in the development of the country, mainly depending upon the development of industry, manufacturing sector. Hence, he gave the call industrialize or perish. And he established the many factories across the Mysuru state. The important factories was Sandalwood factory. Sandalwood factory was a soap factory established at Mysuru. And leather processing factory was established at Bengaluru, and metal factory also founded at Bengaluru, and Mysuru Chamber of Commerce for the development of industry, trade, commerce. Mysore Bank, State Bank of Mysore was founded by Sir M. Vishweshwaraya in the year 1913. The logo motto of SBI, State Bank of Mysuru, working for a better tomorrow. And he believed that education is the key to progress of a country, and he made primary education compulsory. And he also gave the importance to the technical education for the development of agriculture, established agricultural school at Hebbala. Today it is known as GKVK University, one of the leading agricultural university in India. He established Mysuru University in 1916 and also established the Kannada Sahitya Parishad in 1911 at Bengaluru. He was the chief architect of KRS Dam, and it was completed in the year 1932. He laid railway lines between Mysuru and Arsikere, Boringpet and Kolar. The British awarded the Knight Commander and gave the title Sir. The government of India awarded the Bharata Ratna in 1955. He was the first Kannadiga received the Bharata Ratna. Bharata Ratna is the highest civilian award of India. Okay, once again recall the achievements of Sir M. Vishweshwaraya. Think and answer and write it in your homework. And activity. Thank you for joining this session. Thank you so much.